To the Grandmaster Troll wasting channel again. I'm back. I'm still hurt that the Corvette got impounded. It's still not registered. I did get it back, but today's a different day. We're back up in the mountains. I wanted to try something new. I wanted to take the old bird out on the canyon run, and I wanted to try out the 360 mount on the Firebird because I haven't had a mounting system that'll work. But now you can see here, I went and bought one of them mounting systems right there. I went and bought one of the mounting systems, and the plan is, will it not break? Will it not fall off? Will I not break another $400 camera? I didn't buy the Instacar mount. I went with one of the cheap knockoffs. You know, the cheap knockoff was $100. You know, the Insta360 was $400, and I still gotta buy 3 more cameras. So you know, money's a little tight. You know, I am a Corvette. I may be a Corvette owner, but by my last video, I'm still a broke bum. So with that said, we're gonna see how far we can go with this. We're gonna try out this system. I bought the GPS watch. I'm hoping that'll work. So with that said, let's begin the drive. All the cameras are going. Trying out that wireless GPS remote. And we're hoping that this mountain doesn't fall off, because we're definitely gonna push it on these mountains. Let me get my seatbelt on. Safety first. Be behind a civilian. I was hoping to let loose on these back roads. Now I'm gonna be behind a couple of cars. We are off. Let's see how it holds up. Looking like it's holding up pretty nicely. We may have found a new setup. For the Firebird, something that works. You guys may get more F-body content. I may have to go get a Trans Am. Just may have to do it now. Now I no longer need a car with a big wing to hold up my 360 camera. That's something. As soon as I leave, we get behind some civilians. Ain't that something? So we may go to Alice's, see what's up there. If not, go to Skid Pad. Then there should be something out in Mills Valley. So we gotta go to San Francisco, cross the Golden Gate Bridge. It's supposed to be a car meet out there this evening. There was really no car meetings today. On a Saturday, I'll finally get a Saturday off, and there's no car meetings. Tomorrow is going to be a big day, and then Monday we'll be back in the vet as we plan to link up with NorCal Vet, the Facebook group I'm a part of. They're having a run, and I got to put some miles on the Corvette. I need to put 100 miles on the Corvette so it can pass smog. So we're going to drive to Sac and back, and that should give us the miles to see if it can pass smog. Okay, we made it past Alice's, and there was not a lot of people there, so that means we're going to Skid Pad, and there's not a car in front of me. So I guess we get to see how good of a driver I am through these canyons. So with that said, let's go ahead and see what this thing could do. Wet. It rained yesterday, so it's still a little damp. I can't drive for shit. So this car, it's only a V6. So 0 to 50, I'm slow. But once I get over 50 miles per hour, I don't know what they did to the engine, but it's a little bit more lively. Oh, look at this Volkswagen. Got right up on his ass. He's slowing me down. Up out of the way. Okay, he's turning off. He's turning off. Come on, come on. God damn. Niggas can't drive worth shit. Let's see how my windshield wipers is working. It's definitely raining. Let me slow it down. We don't want to die today. Not today. Can't believe it's raining. We got some nice views though. Okay. We got some nice views. I'm all on the double yellow. I can't drive worth shit. I need to take some. I need to go to a driving school, one of them racing schools where they could teach me how to drive, build up my confidence. Cause I feel like I'm gonna drive over the edge of the cliff. That's fast enough, GMT. It's raining a little bit harder now. It's definitely raining a little bit harder now. Show y'all this rain right here. I gotta show y'all this rain. I got to show y'all this rain right here. I can't even see out my windshield. Did it stop? Is it gonna let up for a player? Is it gonna let up for a player? Nah, you gonna keep raining on me? Ooh, he brought his McLaren out in the rain. There's a Mustang chasing a McLaren right there. He brought his McLaren out in the rain. If it wasn't raining, I would go chase him. Okay, it stopped. All of a sudden, the rain stopped. All of a sudden, the rain stopped. I think this is the turn off to get the skid pad. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it is. Is it? Ooh, I think this is it. I'm not sure. I should pull over and find out. Nah, this ain't it. This ain't it. Hold on, let me pull over. exactly where I'm going, because shit look a little bit different. It look a little bit different all of a sudden. I thought it was the road, was not the road. I still have no idea where I'm going, but I have an idea where I'm going. I know I'm going the right way. I know we make a right turn somewhere up here. 2 or 4. Okay, this is the road I've been looking for. This is the road I've been looking for right here. Down there running, I see them. I see cars down there running, boy. They racing down the mountain. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Anybody here? Anybody here? Look at that. Ain't nobody up here. Ain't nobody up here. Couple of cats up here, but nobody really up here. So we made it up to Skid Pad, as they call it. Let me see if I can show you guys the view. That's what everybody comes up here for, is the view. But we made it up here in one piece, thank God, thank God. The Firebird actually did pretty good. It did pretty good. It did pretty good on the mountains. Cannot complain at all. Cannot complain at all. It did a good job. It did a good job. It got us here in one piece. Looks like there's a couple other photographers up here who made the drive. We'll see what were they driving? What were they driving? They were driving a BMW. Somebody's got a Porsche. Another BMW down there. Yeah, so this is a cool day. Come out here, enjoy the weekend away from work. So I think next we're gonna head up to Mills Valley, which is gonna be a long drive. Damn, that's gonna be a long drive, but that's next. See what they got out there. See if they're sitting in parking lots. I could use sitting in the parking lot. So with that said, let's see what else the day can bring us. So we're walking around. There's a lot of cool cars here. We'll start with this Acura NSX. This thing is yellow interior. As you can see right there, we got Mustangs. Here, more Mustangs, Super, BMW, but I think the good cars is over here. Let me get to the good car. We got the Camaro right here. See if we can get a better look at this. And somebody brought their Mustang race car to the meet. Wide body, okay. It's also a race car, but it's not finished yet. It's not finished yet. Obviously, there's going to be a lot more cars, and I'm not going to walk to everyone and talk to them, but I can give you guys a montage. So I hope you guys enjoyed this.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Hey. Emotional trauma with a prima donna, gasping when she see the commas, laughing to conceal the monsters. I feel like Kanye when he lost his Donda. When my father left me, you were there to heal the pain that conquered. I never pay you back for what that meant to me. Some scars just fade physically, but never leave mentally. It's weird when people spiritually connected turn to enemies, and memories turn to villain origin accessories. And I'm the bad guy yet again. Spent so much time trying to find who the victim is. It's probably both of us, but neither one is giving in. So here we go again, throwing punches at each other's ribs. Gunshots sting like a buckshot. The pain hits deep, it's like my heart becomes a blood clot. Fuck love, fuck dots, fuck you, you're unblocked. Just to get this message, hope you get it on your bus stop. And then the bus crash, your true intentions unmasked. This should've been a fairy tale ending, but you uncast. I know it hurts bad, but you know you deserve that. We'll never have the life we once had. Hey. Emotional trauma with a prima donna. Hey. Yeah. Emotional trauma with you, I got my problems with you, but I can never get away. I wish my brain had a hard drive that I could reset. Wish I made the right decisions, but it's hard to reject. Moving on, but shit, you got me on both sides of the fence. Left your mark forever, that's without a scar on the flesh. Wish that I was sick and didn't hit the bar when we met, and spent my money time with you just to be in this debt. See you happy somewhere else while I've been filled with regret. Try to find someone to blame, but it's just cause and effect. Hey. I thought that was the truth, cause nothing lasts forever, that's except for me and you. Young and unaware of all the shit that we would do. Try to make it out alive, but didn't make it through. Your parents probably hate me, but my mom still always asks if we're getting back together, even though it ended bad. Forward thinking, haunted by the habits of my past. Precious moments with you, girl, you even met my dad. And any girl after you won't ever have the pleasure. So I guess it's part of why it's hard for me to ease the pressure. So many years, so many times I can't remember. Fear I'll lose them all forever. Hey. Yeah. Emotional trauma with a prima donna. Yeah. Emotional trauma with you, I got my problems with you, but I can never get away. I can never get away. So I can never get away.
It's unbelievable. Thank you everyone for coming. I'm sure you've all met him. If you haven't met him, you've seen his big smile, you've seen his Instagram videos. And if you haven't, I encourage you to go watch them. They're fantastic. He was really creative. He drove that blue Cobra everywhere, absolutely everywhere. And he drove the Martini Porsche everywhere. And when he didn't have that, he found something else to drive. He was an unbelievable guy. He was great with kids. He would bring, you know, little toys, and he'd let the kids sit in the car, and he'd give them cars and stuff. He just lit up everywhere he went. We're all gonna miss him. I wanted to let you know that on my white Lamborghini over here, there's 2 pieces of paper. One of them is from a memory book. So if you guys want to say a few words, go scan the QR code, click on the link, whatever you want to do, or find my social media and click on that. I'm going to print a book out. I'm going to give it about 2 or 3 weeks so everyone can get on there and do whatever they want to do, say whatever they want to say, and I'm going to make a hard copy book to remember him by. The other thing on my Lamborghini is a GoFundMe for the family. I highly encourage you, if you can donate anything, please do. I'm sure they'll appreciate it. Yeah, I'm not sure what else there is to say. He was a fantastic guy. I mean, he must be smiling down right now because this was raining pretty hard yesterday. And look at the weather today across Mount Tam. It's absolutely fantastic. Yeah, I'm going to miss him. I'm sure you're all going to miss him. But what he wanted, most of all, was everyone to enjoy their cars and be loud as hell. Because whenever you came to my neighborhood, all the neighbors would come tell me. Came a neighbor in the Cobra, you could hear him coming from the freeway.
You returned the favor.
Yes, that's true. I returned the favor once or twice. That's true. Yeah. He loved cars so much. When I got that Lamborghini, the first person I wanted to go see was him. And in fact, I went from the dealership like straight to his house. So yeah, I wish I could say more. I'm not sure what else to actually say. It's been a tough week for everybody. Please show love and support to the family. They're all here. They may not be present, but some of them are here. Fred is a yellow shirt. There he is. That's his Terry's brother. So show him some love. And so we're going to give it till about 10 minutes from now, 6:45, and then everyone be as loud as you possibly want to be with your cars, and we're going to film it. Thanks a lot, everybody.
Thank you.
So I guess they're getting ready to have their rev off. I think I'm gonna walk around and get some of the cars revving their engines. Okay, it's about that time. Everybody done cleared out the parking lot. I got some good content. I flew the drone. I almost crashed it, but today was a good day. No cameras broke, car didn't break down. We're gonna go home, not get chased by the police, not get a ticket. That's the plan. And we're gonna put this vlog together. Today was a good day. So with that said, I will see you guys when I get home.